How to make your friends list private on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Go to How people can find and contact you. Then, go to Who can see your friends list. Here, you can choose the audience for your friends list. Select Only Me. This means that only you will be able to view your friends list on Facebook. Tap on Save below. You can come back and change your friends list audience from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily make your friends list private on Facebook.